Hello everyone. Today I would like to share my English journey. I started learning English again 3 months. Um, at that time, I tried many ways to improve my English skill. I reading new in English in BC New in Express and read in level. Other way, I improve listening skill. I listen podcast on video on YouTube, and sometimes I practice studying VOV video to improve speaking skill. But someday I am I feel bad mood and I lot motivated. Uh, but I talk with my mind. Please, please don't give up. So I decided to try other way to learn. I like I I find the very sorry to listening when I listening very really skill and I feel calm down and patient and feel patient. Sometimes I am I I watch I watch drama movie. It had me fun when I learn. Yeah, I just find uh, the channel is interest for me. I want to thank you, Fred Drama Pro. It have many China video in my previous. So maybe I will watch the channel day by day. Mm, mm. So I want to try to use learning English is hard and it it uh, has it's so you need to spend a lot of time to study learning. So someday maybe you are feel stressed and and not motivated, but you should but you don't wait just because the road is difficult. Um, so instead try to make learn more enjoyable, like watch video you love, reading topic on that, start you and listen English every day a little bit, step by step, day by day, and this simple life, this simple life highly shape uh, your future. Small step it will make you become better in the future. So it's advice me today for you. Bye bye.